Lattics keyboard shortcuts can effectively improve creative efficiency. When setting the text style, you can press Ctrl-B to bold the text and Ctrl-I to make it italic. Ctrl-M can highlight the selected content. You can change the highlight color in the pop-up menu, and Lattics will remember your settings. If you want to add underline and strike-through, you can use Ctrl-U and Ctrl-D. Different paragraph styles also have shortcut keys. Ctrl-1 can set the current paragraph as a first-level heading, Ctrl-2 as a second-level heading, and so on. To switch to a quoted block, enter Ctrl-Shift-period. Ctrl-Shift-8 is bullet list and 9 is numeric list. Ctrl-Shift-backslash will switch paragraph to a code block. The right-click menu can be activated with Ctrl-T. If you need to find replacement content, just hit Ctrl-S. Press the up and down keys in the outline to switch content, and press Enter to create a new article and edit the title, making it easy to create multiple contents. The Tab key can indent levels, and Shift-Tab can reverse indent. You can use Ctrl-D to delete content, and Ctrl-Shift-D to remove content. In the graph interface, hold down Ctrl to zoom the canvas through the mouse wheel. Select the node in the mind map mode and press Enter to create a new node. Press Tab to create a new child node. Ctrl-D to delete the node, and Ctrl-Shift-D to remove the node. Ctrl-E opens the editor. Ctrl-M can quickly switch view modes. In the main interface, press Ctrl-N to quickly create a new card. The card library can toggled with Ctrl-L. And the project bar on the left can be toggled with Ctrl-P. Ctrl-Shift-I displays additional information. To search global content, use the Ctrl-Shift-S key combination.